Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do something cute. We're gonna do something cute, and as you guys can see from the title, this is gonna be a holiday glam makeup tutorial. You know, you just gotta get the Christmas spirit up, you know, like this look, it's like serving goddess, like, yes, like, it's toasty, it's cozy, it's warm, it's poppin', red, you know what I mean? You know, get that Christmas spirit up. In real life, my lashes are falling off, and you guys probably see that, so yeah, I don't know what's up with these lashes. It's probably just me. And my hair too. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So, to make sure your face is not ashy, crusty, dry, this is it, bruh. This moisturizer is it. You gotta trust in the process. This is the part where I start explaining everything with my eyes, so I'm gonna just try and explain this the best way I can. So the first thing that you're gonna need to do is, after you set your base shadow, you're gonna need to take a light brown color, and you're going to need to blend it so you can get ready to add the transition colors and also the deeper colors. As you guys can see here, I'm already adding the darker color. Now I am adding concealer in the inner corners of my eye to just add some highlight or like some shine to my eye, and I'm blending everything out.
Oh my God!
Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and click on that bell notification down below.